Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's the IT technician here. So I have this laptop stuck at the black screen whenever I try to turn it on, and it was working very well yesterday for some reason. So let's get into it. So whenever I try to press the power on button, I see the LED light, as you can see, of the caps lock is turning on. That means the laptop taking its power and trying to go to the Windows, but it's still black screen forever. And thus, as you can see, the caps lock lighting, and I can turn it and turn on again. So the laptop is working, but the screen is not turning on forever. So let's get into it. So after I remove the back cover, basically when this happens, the black screen before you go into the Windows, that always because of a bad component inside the laptop, or maybe something was working fine but for some reason suddenly it stopped working. So it might be a RAM sticks or an SSD or an HDD. So maybe sometimes also it's become this Wi-Fi thing here. We don't know. And in order to check everything, you keep removing one thing and try to turn on, and remove the other thing and try to turn it on, and until you finally get into the Windows, and that means the part that you removed is the issue. So before you do anything, you need to disconnect the battery and maybe remove one of the RAM sticks and go try to turn it on. And if it works, that means this stick is not working, and you keep doing this, removing the parts and reconnect the battery, and try again removing the parts and connect the battery and disconnect the battery before every attempt you try to remove any part or add a new part or anything. So that's it. As you can see now, guys, the problem solved, and the faulty part for my laptop was the HDD, and I've replaced it. For some reason it was working yesterday very well, but now it's not working, and the weird thing is it's not including any data. So that's what I was lucky with, because it will be really hard if it was faulty and we cannot recover the important data. Anyways, that's it. So I will give this laptop a bit of clean and return it to his employee. So that's it for today, guys. And for the new viewers here, I'm working as an IT technician with a big company, and I decided to post my daily repairs and software solutions. So I highly recommend you guys to subscribe to the channel, because you might need to repair anything related to computers and or networks in the future. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.